provider indicates who is the client. But we are already using a SQL client object, so we don't need to specify what is a provider. We just need to take the remaining part, copy it, go back to our program. Now connection object dot connection string equal to, I just specified a connection string. Okay. Now I need to open the connection. So I just specified where to find the connection, where to find the server and all. Now I need to open the connection. Now the connection is open. So once the connection is open, I can send a command, a select command or an insert command or update command or a delete command. I can send in a command into the database. So once the command is sent through this connection, the command gets executed and it gets the results. So if you send a select command, it will return data. If you send an update command, it will modify the data. It will say, if you send a delete command, it will delete the data. So that is our first way, by which you are directly accessing the table and modifying the data there. But we don't want to do that. We want to access a stored procedure. So in order to access a stored procedure, you need to create a stored procedure command. So that is represented by SQL command object. So I'm just creating a new command object, new SQL command. Now I need to specify what is the procedure name and I need to specify parameter values. So once I specify the parameter values, I can just pass that execute query to database. Command text is nothing but the name of the stored procedure, insert application, command type equal to stored procedure command. So we just specified what is the command text and command type. Now we need to add parameters. So we need to add values for these 6 parameters. So these are the ones we are passing to database. So to add parameters to command, and at the same time you can also assign a value. Add with value, parameter name and value. So the value of this field is entered by the applicant, which means it is available in my text box. Right, so the same way I can fill in data for 6 more parameters. Applicant name, address line 1, address line 2, city, state, zip. But this data is available in different fields. Okay, so now I added parameters. I specified what's the command name. Okay, and now I need to link this command with the connection. So command dot connection equal to the connection we just created above. So here is the connection. Okay, so we linked it. I'm deleting the command, opening the connection before. Now I can open the connection. Because you just need to open the connection only before executing the command. You don't need to open it before. So open the connection and execute the command. Okay, just execute non-query. If you want to execute stored procedures, we have to use non-query because it's not a direct query. Now, command is executed. Now you are going to close the connection. Okay, so create a connection object, initialize the connection object, and then create a command object and initialize the command object with command name and then parameters of it, and then execute the command. Open the connection, execute the command, close the connection. That's it. Now let's test it. Okay, so this is my loan application form. What I will do is I'll just fill in some details here. Okay. Okay, so we should have put an alert after it is submitted, but I think it's already done.
Okay.
So if we go back to our database and select what is the data in there, so you can see a new application is added into the system.
Yes.
Okay, so let me just add a comment here, add a line here. Message box dot show inserted application successfully. Okay, I'll just fill another one. So inserted application successfully.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we'll go back here. Another application added. So just to recap, so we created a table, a new table, and added columns. And when we are creating the table, we specified what are the column names and data types. Okay.